Yes, that's right.
Okay, what else is there? That's what I'm trying to make sure that what else is pending from our side.
I think that's all from my end. I do not see anything apart from this. David also.
No, what about that multiple jobs running together?
Sorry.
Two LOBs jobs running together. Where is that issue? Two line of business jobs running together. Where is that issue? Right now, we started with that conversation, right? First thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Where
It's
is
in
that
progress.
task?
Task in the sense you mean to say Jira card?
Yeah, where are you tracking your work, man?
Oh, it's here. I already commented here. I will show you that. If you see this, I'm tracking here. A lot of comments are added here. Let me show you.
So for this one, where are we? Tell me.
Let me cancel this.
No, this is TL code. That is different. I'm talking about the multiple LOBs running together. TL code is specific task.
Yes, we are doing it in the same. We are doing it in the same Jira card. This is what I'm explaining. Kevin asked me to follow everything for the one Jira card. So if you see this,
no, one Jira card is good, but there are two aspects to this, right? Okay, you're doing one change. Okay, let's say you're doing one change, like adding a LOB field and you're running the job. Now tell me how the other areas will work.
Other areas in the sense you mean to say other.
Take the job, run for two line of business, and yesterday we discussed, right? For one line of business member, I want to run together versus just the second LOB. I want to run the members together. How will you do that? Where is that activity here?
Okay.
So you should put another task. Say that verifying job wave 1 and wave 2 job to run together after the code fix. Okay. If you have a job, if you're not putting it somewhere, nobody will know.
Yeah, I'll create a Jira card.
You can't be saying every day that you are working on that, but what task you're working, you should know.
Yeah, I will include that.
We will ask you all those questions. So tell him, add yourself a task there that after the code fix, wave 1 and wave 2 will be synced based on the new columns we're gonna add in the DW integration table. And you will take time to verify that.
Yes. Yes, I myself will add and I will assign it by myself.
Yeah, you should add it. That's what my problem is. You need to add the task which you're working, and somebody will say, just say this is the task I'm working. And what is a blocker on that task? That's it. Nobody cares about the code issues. Only you and Amar, and they should care about that.
Got it.
If something breaks, you will be responsible. That's it.
Okay, sure. I'll create the Jira card on myself and let me send
you should
myself.
keep it separate. Now also you lose the tracking. Now if you have more issues, you are done.
Yeah. Then this is one Jira card that I'll be creating. And anything you suggest, you want me to add any other Jira card? I think this should be okay, right? One should be okay.
Yeah. You should know because you are working on it. I don't know what all you're working on.
Okay.
So if you have extra work, you have to add it.
Okay, then let me
track it.
Yeah, let me add and inform Kevin as well.
Okay, let's connect on 4 minutes on the card. We'll just explain this ticket, what we are seeing on the screen, nothing else, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah. Carry on.
Thank you.
Bye.